left the bloodstains on the carpet, and then you ran into the bedroom. You were struck down, it was your doom.